Women have always been strong and independent, even if society has not always recognized or given them credit for their strength. Financial independence makes women feel more secure and respected, irrespective of their socio-economic background. HDFC Life has created a special life insurance product for women. HDFC Life Smart Women Plan is a unique insurance cum investment plan designed specially for women to achieve their financial goals. Today in this video we'll see whether this HDFC Life Smart Women Plan be a right choice for women to achieve their financial goals or not. A detailed analysis on this will be done in this video. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. This HDFC Life Smart Women Plan is unit-linked non-participating life insurance plan. Today, let's take a look into its features, benefits and also its IRR analysis. By that, we would come to know its potential return and compare it with the pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. By that, we would come to know whether investing in this plan help us achieve our financial goals or not. Now let's first see the features of HDFC Life Smart Women Plan. There are three benefit options, namely Classic, Premier and Elite. Sum assured up to 40 times your annualized premium. Additional periodic cash out under Premier and Elite options. Enhanced allocation rate from 11th policy year onwards. On the occurrence of specified event groups, 3 annual premiums are waived. The specific event groups are birth of a child with congenital disorder or pregnancy complications, diagnosis of cancer of female organs and death of spouse. Now let's see the benefits under the HDFC Life Smart Women Plan. There are three benefits: maturity benefit, settlement option and death benefit. Under maturity benefit, your policy matures at the end of the term and all your risk cover cease. You may redeem your balance units at the prevailing unit price and take home the fund value. The second one is settlement option. The policyholder has the option to take the unit fund value in periodical installments over a settlement period which may extend up to a maximum of 5 years. The third one is death benefit. In case of life assured unfortunate demise, the nominee will receive the greater of the following: sum assured less all partial withdrawals made during the 2 years immediately preceding the date of the death, or total fund value or 105% of the total premium paid. Here is a few additional benefits under HDFC Life Smart Women Plan catering to 3 different variants, namely Classic, Premier and Elite. There are totally 4 fund options catering to different risk profile available in this plan. Since this HDFC Life Smart Women Plan is a ULIP plan, there are various charges associated with this plan. The first one is premium allocation charge. The premium allocation rate represents the proportion of your premium invested to buy units for your policy. The second one is fund management charge. Fund management charge of only 1.35% per annum charged daily, and for discontinued fund it's 0.50%. The third one is policy administration charge. This charge is a percentage of annualized premium. It is 0.40 per month inflation from 6th policy year onwards at 5.5% per annum subject to a maximum of rupees 500, or 0.5% of premium per month whichever is lesser. The fourth one is mortality and other risk benefit charges. This depends on your age and level of coverage. The fifth one is miscellaneous charge. Any policy alteration request initiated by the policyholder will attract a charge of rupees 250 per request. Sixth one is partial withdrawal charge. A partial withdrawal request from the policyholder will attract a charge of rupees 250 per request. The seventh one is switching charge. A fund switch request from the policyholder will attract a charge of rupees 250 per request. Eighth one is premium redirection charge. A premium redirection request initiated by the policyholder will attract a charge of rupees 250 per request. The last one is discontinuance charge. This charge depends on your year of discontinuance and your annualized premium. There is no charge from 5th policy year onwards. From my perspective, this fund management charge and mortality charges are okay. But charges like premium allocation charge, policy administration charge, these charges will only bring down your potential return that you are looking to get from this policy, and there is no such charges in mutual funds. So as an investor, we need to invest in investment vehicle that gives us inflation beating returns. Now let's see the advantages of the HDFC Life Smart Women Plan. You can enjoy the enhanced allocation rate of 102.5% per annum from 11th policy year. The plan waives charges on 12 partial withdrawals or switches within 1 year from the date of childbirth. Apart from waiver of premium, you receive periodic cash payout on the occurrence of specified event groups. Settlement option can be exercised for maturity benefit. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of HDFC Life Smart Women Plan. The lock-in period is for 5 years. So for 5 years, if you have some short-term financial goal or for any emergency purposes, then this fund would not be that beneficial. No policy loans are available for this product. So such as like there are already products in the market which has a policy loan that can benefit the policy holder. Only Elite plan option has added benefits. So in other options, you may not get those added advantages from this policy. No rider can be opted under this plan. Suppose you see there are a lot of plans in the market which has rider with them and also policy loans with them, which can help the policy holder in a great way. And there's no such options available under this plan. There's no free switches or free partial withdrawals. There are already products in the market which can benefit policyholder with free switches and free partial withdrawals. So as an investor, when you see these disadvantages, it would be hard for us to choose a particular investment vehicle. So we need to choose our investment vehicle wisely, catering to our financial goals and also seeing its advantages and disadvantages carefully. Before we as investors going into conclusion of any particular policy or investment vehicle, it is always better to see its potential return. For that, we need to see its IRR analysis. Now let's see the HDFC Life Smart Women Plan IRR analysis. By that, we would come to know what is its potential return, or will this potential return help you achieve your financial goals or not. Now let us make certain assumptions so that comparing it would be easier. Here investor is 35 years old. Here sum assured is 10 lakhs. Policy term is 15 years. Premium paying term is 15 years. Annual premium is 1 lakh. Here this benefit illustration is taken from HDFC website, and the return of 4% and return of 8% are not guaranteed. They are just assumptions. Under the return of 4%, its IRR seems to be 1.20%, and under the return of 8%, its IRR seems to be 5.17%. Even this 5.17% is not guaranteed. Even though it's guaranteed, it is lesser than even bank FD rate. And there are investment vehicles which are already there in the market which can produce better return than this. So as a woman, to achieve your financial freedom and also to achieve your financial goals, this potential return will not be that beneficial. So let's take a look into its alternatives by which you can achieve your financial goals and also your future milestones. Let us compare this HDFC Life Smart Women Plan with a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. Then we would come to know whether this plan would be beneficial to achieve your financial goals or not. Here let us make certain assumptions in similar cash flow, so comparing it would be easier. Here the sum assured is rupees 10 lakh, policy term is 15 years, premium paying term is 15 years, annual premium is 5,000. Balance 95,000 can be invested in PPF or ELSS, catering to your financial needs and requirements. Now, if you see a pure term insurance along with PPF can generate an IRR of 6.51%, which is much better when compared to HDFC Life Smart Women Plan, which generates an IRR of 5.71%. It would be even more beneficial for you as an investor to achieve your financial goals. Whereas if you are willing to take risks, then you can invest in ELSS, which can provide an inflation beating return, and its IRR seems to be 10.71%, which will be really helpful for you to achieve your future milestones and financial goals and also make you financially independent. So as an investor, why do we invest? We invest because we need to get inflation beating returns. Market adjusted returns can help us sustain, but only inflation beating returns can help us achieve our financial goals. Now let's see the final verdict on this HDFC Life Smart Women Plan. It is a unique investments come insurance specially designed for women. It fails to yield you inflation beating returns on the long run. Investing in pure term insurance along with ELSS make you financially independent to achieve your financial goals. Any policy or investment vehicle that offers dual benefit will not be beneficial to investor in the long run. So choose your investment vehicle wisely. And if you are looking for an investment plan or investment strategy through which you want to achieve your financial goals, then you can consult with your financial planner. He would understand your financial goal and also your risk appetite and create an ideal investment plan or investment strategy to help you achieve your financial goals. A detailed review on HDFC Life Smart Woman Plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.